Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very special project to share with you. 25 years ago, on a Christmas day, I received a cherished gift, a snow globe in the shape of a red and black sofa. Throughout my college years, this snow globe became a treasured possession, accompanying me through countless beautiful moments. Whenever I heard the tune "Santa Claus is Coming to Town," my heart would fill with warmth and nostalgia, transporting me back to that magical time. As I rediscovered the snow globe, I couldn't help but notice the effects of time. The liquid inside has become cloudy and discolored, and there's a noticeable air bubble trapped within. Even the once beautiful exterior has aged, but the memories attached to it are too precious to let go. That's why I made the decision to restore it. So, let's embark on this restoration adventure together and revive the magic of this treasured snow globe. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step is to find something that can securely hold the snow globe in an inverted position while remaining stable. This will allow us to work on it easily. Next, we'll need some rubbing alcohol. Look along the edge of the bottom panel for a small opening, and carefully squeeze some alcohol into the gap. This will help dissolve any dried adhesive inside. Now, it's time to grab a tool. I'll need something that can delicately pry it open without damaging the edges. I'll be extra careful to ensure the edges remain intact while working on it. Alright, let me quickly inspect the music mechanism. Fortunately, the music mechanism of the snow globe is still in good condition. Next, I'm going to remove the silicone plug inside to see what's inside. It looks like there's a lot of adhesive in there. Due to the extended period of time, the silicone plug inside has softened, making it prone to breakage. It was quite challenging to extract it using pliers, requiring multiple attempts and a significant amount of force. I had to repeat the process with rubbing alcohol several times before finally managing to remove it. Alright, I finally managed to wrestle it out. Okay, let me give it a check and see if the extracted item is in good condition. Next, I'll need to carefully slice it off from the silicone plug using a blade, because the silicone plug has deteriorated and I need to replace it with a new one. After cutting off the silicone plug and cleaning off the remaining residue, I noticed that there was a plastic film stuck on top. I have to remove it in order to achieve a better adhesion with the new silicone plug. Okay, let me heat it up with a hairdryer and then remove it. Next, I'll need to sand down the bottom to ensure it's smooth and level before attaching the new silicone plug. And let's pour out the old, yellowed water. It's been sitting in there for 25 years. And next, I'm going to attach it to the new silicone plug using fast-drying glue. Otherwise, I'd have to wait for a long time. Alright, let me wait for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to perform a special treatment on the snow globe and the water inside. This step is absolutely crucial as it involves completely removing all the air from both the globe and the water. This ensures long-term preservation without any presence of bubbles. When we notice bubbles inside the snow globe, the primary issue is often air leakage from the bottom seal. If we don't fully evacuate the air from the water, it's possible that after approximately 1 month, even with a properly sealed globe, some bubbles may still appear. The only difference would be the size of the bubbles. Once we no longer see any bubbles actively rising, to the surface of the water, only the water gently moving. It indicates that the air has been mostly evacuated. Let me take it out. Then, I'll add an appropriate amount of white snowflakes. They were originally colorful and sparkly, but I personally prefer white snowflakes as I believe they will enhance its beauty even more. Alright, next up, I'm going to place it back into the glass globe that we filled with water and snowflakes earlier. It's looking pretty good. Now that the globe part is all set, it's time to work on the base. I need to remove the old glass globe because there's a lot of deteriorated adhesive underneath it. This is a tricky task that requires caution, as I'll be using a hairdryer to heat it up and carefully peel it off little by little. I must admit, I'm a bit concerned about the glass globe potentially shattering and causing cuts on my hands. That went well. I was able to remove the glass globe smoothly. Alright, the base has been thoroughly cleaned, and now it's time for the final step. I need to assemble the base, glass globe, and the bottom plate together. Fingers crossed that everything goes smoothly. I'll need to use hot glue to secure the base and glass globe together. Once the globe is in place, I'll apply a complete circle of hot glue around it to ensure an even and secure bond. This will prevent any tilting or misalignment of the globe. In the final step, I'll apply a yellow adhesive evenly on the steps of the base and then attach the music board on top of it. After that, I'll use alcohol to clean off any remaining adhesive from the music board. Incredible! The moment of truth has arrived. Brace yourself for an enchanting experience as I put this beauty to the test. Prepare to be captivated by the mesmerizing melodies that will transport you to a world of pure magic. Get ready to immerse yourself in the wonder of this fully restored snow globe, where dreams come alive with every gentle shake. In the delicate art of restoration, we not only repair physical objects but also mend the emotions and sentiments attached to them. It's a beautiful reminder that even the most damaged things can be given a second chance, just like the memories we hold dear. I hope this journey has inspired you to seek out the treasures in your own life, to embrace the beauty of restoration, and to cherish the memories that shape who we are. Remember, within each memento lies a story waiting to be shared and celebrated. As we conclude this captivating chapter, I encourage you to keep the spirit of restoration alive in your own endeavors. Whether it's repairing a cherished heirloom or revitalizing a forgotten passion, may this video remind you that with patience, dedication, and a little love, anything is possible. Thank you for joining me on this touching journey. If you found this video inspiring and enjoyed witnessing the beauty of restoration, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on future content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences with restoration. Your support and engagement mean the world to me, and I look forward to connecting with you in the comments section. Until next time, keep embracing the power of restoration and cherishing the memories that make life truly special.